Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alyssa. Today we are talking about my workout routine, and we are talking specifically about how I am incorporating fitness and staying fit while being basically on lockdown here in New York City. So this is my weekly workout routine schedule, I guess you can say, and it's going to be a mix between me sitting here and chatting as well as vlogging. So basically I filmed 7 days worth of my workouts, and I thought I would just kind of talk through how I plan my workouts, and then I can show you what I actually did. So let's just talk first about the schedule itself. I'm sharing Monday through Sunday, and I've talked about this before, but I do encourage every single person to try to move their body at minimum 30 minutes every single day. It doesn't mean you have to do anything intense. It doesn't have to be like this high intensity like running or anything like that, but getting in movement every single day is super, super important. It's super important for your mental health, your physical health, and just everything. So I try to move my body at least 30 minutes every single day, and I think of my kind of more intense workouts as Monday through Saturday, and then Sunday is kind of my rest day. You guys know I have a dog, so walking Trevi also incorporates kind of movement throughout my day, but I don't really count that as my workout per se because she's fairly slow and it's kind of just like moseying around, and I'm not like getting my heart rate up or anything like that. So Monday through Saturday is my day where I get my heart rate up, and then Sunday is my more relaxed kind of stretching or whatever it is. So one of the things that I've picked up since being more at home is running, and I've really been enjoying running and being outside, and I try to go 3 miles on my runs, and I run 3 times a week. So right now it kind of depends on the weather, but I'm doing Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday as my running days, and then the other days I incorporate some form of kind of cardio exercise as well as toning. So I'm not doing a ton of weightlifting, I'm not doing any really like intense strength training. I'm doing cardio and then I'm doing toning. And I have to say, I feel so good. I feel incredibly fit, probably more fit than I've almost ever felt in my life. And I'm doing between 30 to probably 50 minutes of exercise every single day. And it's nothing super intense, but it just has been really working for me lately, and I really like it. So how I'm structuring this week that you're about to see: Monday is running, and I will run for about 30 minutes, and then I do a toning exercise after that, so a little toning workout. Tuesday, I'll do some form of something that gets my heart rate up, whether it's HIIT or a more intense like P-Volve session, and then I'll do a toning exercise. Wednesday, I run, followed by toning. Thursday was HIIT and tone. Friday, I do kickboxing and then a toning workout, and then Saturday is running and toning, and Sunday is just like stretching, deep stretching. So I feel like that's all I really need to preface this video with. Let's just go ahead and dive into my vlogging, and we'll kind of talk about the different workouts that I did, and yeah, let's get into it. Good morning. It is Monday, and I am about to go for my run. So I am running 3 miles. And I just run in Riverside Park, and I do a good job social distancing. Just finished. Whew. Running is still really hard for me, but it felt good. Let me see. Okay, so I went for 3.12 miles, which is a 5K. My average pace was 9:08, which is like pretty good for me. And my average heart rate was 160, which is why I'm so out of breath. I'm gonna go inside and do my P-Volve workout. I really like doing P-Volve because it's lengthening, it's toning, it's hard, and I've definitely noticed a really big difference in my body. They are doing free 30-day trial, so if you want to try it, now's a good chance. And yeah, okay, I need water. All right, so this is all of my P-Volve equipment. They do have no equipment workouts, but this is one of the things I'm going to use today. It's called the P-Ball. It's so awesome for toning like the glutes, the inner thighs, and what I love about their workouts is that They are very core focused as well, so you get a really good core workout while also like toning arms and your butt and your legs and everything like that. So I'm gonna do a workout that uses the pee ball and hand weights, and it's about 20 minutes. Good morning, my friends. Happy Tuesday. It is Tuesday morning. It's around 7:30. I have already gone for my walk with Trevi. The birds are loud and chirping outside, and it's time to work out. So I ran yesterday. I'm running tomorrow. What I'm gonna do today is like a semi-cardio P-Volve workout, and I'll probably do one of those, and then I'll follow up with another shorter P-Volve routine. So P-Volve has a bunch of different like options. Basically, they have these cardio workouts called P-Sweat, which has intervals of kind of cardio moves, but it's nothing super intense. So it's a good like in between for me because I don't need something super intense because I ran yesterday and I'm running tomorrow. So this is good because it just kind of gets my heart rate up and I feel energized and everything like that. So I'm gonna pick 2 workouts to do, and that's gonna be my workout for today, plus walking Trevi, of course. Wednesday from my bright red elevator in my building. I'm headed down to go for a run. It's a very sleepy, like cold, not cold, but gray and kind of damp day. And I'm really not feeling like I want to go for a run, but I know that it's going to make me feel so much better. I always feel so energized after I run, and it just really sets the tone for my day. So I'm going to walk out of my building, but I am going to go for another 3-mile run. I might end up doing 3.12 miles. That's how I have to walk out of my building now. But we will, and then I'll come back and I will probably do like some sort of toning. Something around like 15-20 minutes just to tone the muscles after I run. Another brutal one. That one was an 8:55 pace, which is pretty good for me. I'm really tired, but I always feel really good afterwards. So I'm gonna go inside now, do a little bit of stretching, and then I'm gonna do a toning workout, and I'll show you the Tone It Up app. I think I'm probably gonna do that. They are doing free 30-day trial right now, I think, during this whole pandemic. But otherwise it's like $70 a year or $5.99 a month or something like that. And they have programs and like good short workouts, HIIT workouts, yoga, stuff like that. So yeah, let's go inside. that was a hard one today, but it felt really good. I really, really like kettlebell routines because they have a good mix of like cardio and also strength training. I always feel really strong after I do a kettlebell. Our house right now is full of boxes, which you saw in the video. Mattress is over there, a desk is over there. This is a table that I just unpacked yesterday, which is over in the corner over there. And then this box goes to this chair, which I was trying to decide if I wanted to keep, but I think I love it, so I think I am gonna keep it. And then this is the old desk that I was going to get rid of, but now that Matt is also working from home, we're gonna move it over there. So he'll have a workspace over there. And then when my new desk comes, I'll put it in here with this chair, bookcase, and yeah. So that is my Wednesday workout. I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm doing probably P-Volve, I think, tomorrow. I'll probably do a similar thing that I did yesterday, maybe like a P-Sweat and a P-Volve, or I might do a HIIT routine and a P-Volve. And then Friday is my kickboxing day. I love kickboxing, and so I do a kickboxing workout on YouTube that is like so fun, and that's what I do on Friday. So, pick a hangnail. I'm gonna go take a shower, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, friends. Happy Thursday. I haven't decided what I'm gonna do for workout yet. I just took Trevi for a walk, and my inner thighs are a little bit sore, so I think I might do just a short little HIIT workout just to get my heart rate up, and then I'll do a P-Volve workout with the bands probably, because those are more like outer thighs. The bands, I love the bands. I love the heavy ankle band. So I think I'll do something with hand weights for arms and shoulders and back and abs, and do something short to get my heart rate up. And it's probably gonna be a shorter workout today, maybe like 35-ish minutes. Yeah, let's get to it. All right, I picked out a 10-minute HIIT workout, 7.9 difficulty out of 10, so we'll see how hard it is. I'm gonna set you down and get started. But I'm gonna immediately jump into my P-Volve workout so that I can keep my heart rate up and keep pumping. So let's do it. All right, Thursday workout done. That P-Volve workout was really good. It was harder than I was expecting, but it was really good. While I was working out, Missy got a bath. You're all clean. We also got rid of all the boxes yesterday. Well, at least the ones that we could. The bed frame is supposed to be getting delivered today, so hopefully we can set up our new Naturopedic mattress today. And yeah, I'm gonna go take a shower and get this day started. I will see you guys tomorrow for kickboxing. Good morning, happy Friday. It's our 5th day of my workout at home with me series thing. I don't know what I'm calling this video. But it's Friday, and I've said this already, but I am doing my kickboxing workout today. I really, really like kickboxing. I think it's really, I don't know, it's a good cardio workout. It's fun, makes me feel strong, and it's just like, I don't know, it's just fun. So the one that I do is with Fitness Wonder. I do it online, and it's about 23 minutes, and I usually follow it up with some sort of like toning exercise afterwards. I would say that it's a good like middle of the road cardio. Definitely kickboxing is one of those things where you have to push yourself in order for it to be a good workout. Like you can't just like do like little, like not hard punches and stuff like that. So you really have to like get into it, which is why I love it, and I think it's so fun. So I think after that I'll probably do, I'm looking at their website right now, I think I'll probably do an upper body workout afterwards, because my legs are feeling a little tired and sore. I feel like I've done a lot of leg stuff today or this week, and I'm running tomorrow, so give my legs a break. So yeah, I'll link both of the workouts that I do down below. They'll probably just both be on Fitness Blender because it's easy. Good morning, friends. Happy Saturday. Just got done with a 3.13 mile run. The fastest I've ever run. It helps running with that guy because he's really fast. And I ran an average of 8:40 was my pace. And I felt good. It was really hard, but overall felt really good. So just like Wednesday and Monday for me, running, I follow up with a P-Volve workout. So I'm gonna go inside and do a little bit of stretching, and then I'm gonna just do a short P-Volve workout for toning and call it a day. All right, so this is the workout I'm gonna do. It uses ankle weights and gliders, and it should be, how long is it? Let's see. It's 26 minutes, but I always skip past through the warm-up because I'm already warm after running. So it's usually like 22-ish minutes or 23 minutes. So that pretty much does it for my weekly workout routine. I follow a similar workout schedule every single week, and like I said in the beginning, it's really been working for me. I love my P-Volve workouts. I did these all while I was traveling as well, but now that I'm home and I can have some of the bigger equipment like the ankle weights and the hand weights and the P-Ball, I just like love it. I feel so good. And then I also have been really liking incorporating some of those HIIT workouts. And as I mentioned, everything that is in those vlogs, the workouts, the programs, everything like that, I'll link down below for you. A lot of them currently are on free trials, so that if you are home and you want to try some of these apps, they're a really great way to test things out before you have to commit any money. And I just think that like finding a workout routine at home is really empowering, and fitting it into your schedule. I know that a lot of people at least are saying this time is like a time we should slow down, and I totally agree, but I honestly believe that exercise and physical like movement of your body is incredibly important for your mental health. So if you are somebody that's like struggling with being home and stuck at home, then incorporating exercise and movement could be really beneficial for you. So if you have any questions about what I talked about today, let me know in the comments. I do have a blog post that pairs along with this video as always, so you can find that linked below as well. And I think I also will have a printable kind of like guide for you as well. So make sure to check that out in the description box. If you have any other questions, like I said, I'm here for you. You can ask away in the comments. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking the red button that is right below this video. And otherwise, I hope you have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.